This 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 257 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachman is 28 feet 6 inches in length and features one slideout, a cloud interior, sleeps 8, oven, microwave, external shower, leveling jacks, water heater, refrigerator, TV antenna, LP detector, spare tire kit, slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachman Freedom Express Ultralight 257 BHS is 5,760 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.